solve the equation tan of 45 plus theta is equal to tan 45 degrees minus theta for x being between 0 and 360. So to solve tan 45 plus theta is equal to tan 45 minus theta. Right, so using the compound angle formulae for this and this, that is tan theta plus phi is tan theta plus tan phi over 1 minus tan theta plus tan theta tan phi, and then tan theta minus phi is tan theta minus tan phi over 1 plus tan theta tan phi. So applying to this, being theta being 45 and phi being theta, we got on this will now become tan 45 plus tan theta over 1 minus tan 45 tan theta, and the other side will become tan 45 minus tan theta over 1 plus tan 45 tan theta. Now the tan of 45 is 1, so we now get 1 plus tan theta over 1 minus 1 times tan theta, which is 1 minus tan theta. And on this side we now get 1 minus tan theta over 1 plus tan theta. Tan 45 is 1. Cross multiply, so that simply becomes 1 plus tan theta squared is equal to 1 minus tan theta squared. Expand this, we're going to get 1 plus 2 tan theta plus tan squared theta. On this side we're going to get 1 minus 2 tan theta tan squared theta. If we take this over here, it will cancel, so these two will cancel out. And then if we collect tan theta on this side, we're going to get 4 tan theta, and we're taking the ones over here, we will get 0. Therefore tan theta is equal to 0. So we need to work out where tan theta is equal to 0 between 0 and 360. One way to do it is have a quick sketch of the graph of tan theta. There's an asymptote at 90 and 270, and the graph looks like this. And therefore it will be 0 here, here, and here. So that's going to be 0, 180, 360. So my answers will be theta is equal to 0, 180 degrees, and 360 degrees. So this has been a video to show you how to use compound angle formulae to solve an equation. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.